Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Tiffany. I just wanted to show you a fun way to write your name outside using some chalk. I have purple and blue chalk. I crushed it up and added some baking soda for fun to make it fizzy chalk. So I'm going to make a pattern also using my name. I'm going to go with the letter T, a big line down, back to the top, little line across. My letter I, I'm going to make blue, big line down, back to the top, little line over, and little line on the bottom. Now my letter F, I'm going to use purple again, big line down, little line on the top, little line in the middle. And I have another F in my name, so I'm going to go back to the blue and do a big line down, little line on top, little line in the middle. And now the next color to continue our pattern is going to be purple. So I have another big line down to make a letter I, back to the top, little line across, back to the bottom, little line across. Now I'm going to use my blue paint, move my colors down a little bit, and I'm going to make my letter N, big line down, back to the top, big line down, and another big line down. Okay, I have to finish my pattern. I have purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. I need to use purple for my last color. And I have one more I in my name, so big line down, little line on top, and little line on the bottom. This is a fun activity that you can do at home and just practice writing your name or letters. Bye!